This is Nusrat and welcome back to my YouTube channel NK Tutorial. Okay, so in this video we are going to do past continuous tense related past continuous we have already done, past perfect se related but passive voice. Okay, so till now we have done past continuous tense, past indefinite tense. Okay, very easily. Today in this video we will do past perfect tense. So let's understand how to change past perfect tense into passive voice. पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस के स्टेटमेंट को हम पैसिव वॉइस में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड इट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स नो व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला ऑफ पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. दैट इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड प्लस वर्ब 3 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. नो पैसिव वॉइस का स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? देन दैट विल बी ऑब्जेक्ट विल कम फर्स्ट. इन पैसिव वॉइस सब्जेक्ट बिकम्स ऑब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट बिकम सब्जेक्ट. सो ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड plus been plus verb third plus by plus subject. Got it? So here let's understand the first question. For example, the girls had done homework. The girls had done दियर होमवर्क. लड़कियां अपना काम कर चुकी थी. दियर होमवर्क. द गर्ल्स हैड डन दियर होमवर्क. लड़कियां ने अपने काम कर लिया है. ओके, सो हाउ विल यू चेंज इनटू पैसिव वॉइस? दिस इज सब्जेक्ट, दिस वन इज ऑब्जेक्ट. सो वी विल राइट डाउन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑब्जेक्ट. सो दियर होमवर्क, then had, then after that been. Has who? Yeah, had. In passive voice we always add been. If there is has, have, had, then we add been here. So their homework had been, then verb third, done. Their homework had been done by the girls. This is subject. Got it? Let's take more example. The cow had eaten grass. गाय घास खा चुकी थी. Okay, so the cow had eaten grass. How will you change into passive voice? This is subject, this is object. So in PV grass will come first because object है. Then grass had been eaten, verb 3, then by. Grass had been eaten by the cow. Got it? Are you understanding it? It's too easy. Now let's take more example of negative and interrogative sentence. अब हम नेगेटिव इंटरोगेटिव से रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चन करेंगे. Kirti was not mopping the floor. Kirti was not mopping the floor. Okay, so we have to change into Kirti was not mopping the floor. Not Kirti had not mopped. Kirti had not mopped the floor. कीर्ति ने फर्श नहीं साफ किया है. क्या था? फ्लोर. ओके, बिकॉज इट इज पास्ट, तो किया था. ओके, सो हियर दिस सब्जेक्ट, दिस इज ऑब्जेक्ट. सो हियर इन PV ऑब्जेक्ट विल कम फर्स्ट. द फ्लोर, देन हैड. नॉट है, सो वी विल ऑल्सो पुट हियर नॉट. द फ्लोर हैड नॉट, देन बीन. The floor had not been, then verb third, mopped. The floor had not been mopped by. subject. Subject is Kirti. The floor had not been mopped by Kirti. Got it? Now let's take more example. I have not taken your pen. I had not taken your pen. I had not taken your pen. Okay? मैंने आपकी कलम नहीं ली है. So we have to change into passive voice. Subject, object. Now we will write on here. In passive voice we will write in first of all object. So your pen, then had, your pen had, then not, your pen had not been, verb third, taken by me. I will be changing to me. Your pen had not been taken by me. Got it? Now let's take one more example. We had completed our work. We have completed our work. हमने अपना काम कर लिया था. We had not completed our work. We had not completed our work. हमने अपना काम नहीं किया था. So how will you change into passive voice? This is subject. This is object. So our work then had. Our work had then not. Then been. Our work had not been completed. Verb third. Then by. Subject. What is subject? We. So we will be changing to us. Or our work had not been completed by us. This is the. Now we have learned how to change negative statement into passive voice of past perfect tense. Now let's understand how to change interrogative statement, interrogative sentence into passive voice. अब हम interrogative sentence को passive voice में करना सीखेंगे. Here it is. Object. Sorry. Had plus. This is for interrogative. Interrogative के लिए. This was negative. Now interrogative. Had plus object plus been plus verb third plus by plus subject. First question. Had they eaten mangoes? Had they eaten mangoes? क्या उन लोगों ने आम खाए थे? Had they eaten mangoes? Then how will you change into passive voice? For this, we have to see first of all object and subject. What is object? Mangoes. So first of all we will write on here had. Then object is mangoes. So had mangoes, then been, had mangoes been, verb third, eaten by, subject, eaten by them. Question mark. Got it? Now let's practice. Let's try one more example. Had Shyam met Mohan. क्या श्याम मोहन से? Had Shyam met Mohan? क्या श्याम मोहन से मिला था? So here will be passive voice. How will you change into passive voice? Then this is subject, this is object. So had, after that object. Had Mohan been met. Verb third of meet is met. Had Mohan been met? No, don't take this example. ये different है काफी. हैड दे कट ट्रीज, क्या उन लोगों ने पेड़ काटे थे? हैड दे कट ट्रीज, क्वेश्चन मार्क. देन हाउ विल चेंज इनटू पैसिव वॉइस? दिस इज सब्जेक्ट, दिस इज ऑब्जेक्ट. देन पीवी had, then object had trees, then been had trees been, then verb third cut, had trees been cut by them, question mark, subject. Okay, this is over. Are you getting the non-interrogative sentence we have done? Now let's understand how to change WS family into passive voice. WS family से related कुछ question को हम करेंगे. Are you just taking interest? मजा आ रहा है करने में? Now let's do WS family. हम WS family करते हैं. WS family means do you understand? Who, what, when, where. जो हम WS से related question करते हैं. Where, why, when, how, plus had, plus been, plus verb third, plus by, plus subject. For example, first question, how had they grown vegetables? उन लोगों ने सब्जियां कैसे उगाई? How had they grown vegetables? So how to change into passive voice? First of all, WS family हमारा क्या है? How, then had, then been, how had been, then just understand here, then there will be object, then verb third, then by, then subject. Okay, so how had sorry, here will be object यहाँ है. How had object, then been, then verb third, then by, then subject. How had object, this is object and this one is subject. So how had vegetables, then been grown, verb third grown by them. Subject will be changed into, they will be changed into them. How had they grown? How had vegetables been grown by them? Okay, how had vegetables been grown by them? This is WS family. One more example I am taking here. Where had she sung a song? उसने गाना कहाँ गाया? Where had she sung a song? So what is subject here? This is subject. A song is object. Got it? Now let's change into passive voice. So first of all, WS family. So where, then had, then object is a song, where had a song, then been, where had a song been, then verb third, where had a song been sung by, she will be changed into her. So where had a song been sung by her? This is the passive voice of WH family. Okay, I hope you are getting all these statements, negative, interrogative statements, interrogative sentence, negative sentence, WH family very clearly. Okay, हम negative को, interrogative को, WH family को भी कैसे passive voice में change करेंगे, we have learned today very easily, very clearly, and I hope that you will be also getting it. Okay, so go on practicing it. I'll meet you in my next video with next question. Till then, bye bye.